Are you tired of drowning in a sea of business advice that seems to lead you down the same old, tired paths? Do you yearn for a guide that speaks to the daring innovator within you, urging you to tear down the walls of convention and chart your own course? Look no further than Rework, the electrifying manifesto that shatters the rules, challenges the norms, and propels you into a world of limitless possibilities. For the Mavericks and Mavericks to be. If you're the kind of person who can't stand cookie-cutter solutions, who thrives on bucking trends and disrupting the status quo, Rework is your call to arms. This book isn't for the faint of heart. It's for those who dare to dream bigger, who want to craft a business landscape that's uniquely theirs. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned trailblazer, Rework is the compass that points you towards uncharted territories of success. Why Rework is your rocket fuel. Why settle for the ordinary when you could achieve the extraordinary? Rework isn't just a book. It's a blueprint for those who refuse to accept mediocrity. Authors Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansson, the maverick minds behind Basecamp, tear down the barriers of conventional thinking, showing you why complexity is overrated and simplicity is your secret weapon. They dismantle the notion that 80-hour work weeks are the key to success and reveal how embracing constraints can spark unparalleled creativity. What awaits you within Rework? Get ready for a thrilling ride through the uncharted realms of entrepreneurship and productivity. Dive into a world where meetings are demolished, interruptions are conquered, and decision-making is stripped to its essence. Witness the power of small, agile teams conquering giants and turning limitations into launching pads for innovation. Uncover the art of hiring those who embody your values and firing the notion that failure is fatal. Discover a universe where work-life balance isn't an afterthought but a driving force behind true triumph. Ignite your revolution with Rework. Whether you're a startup visionary or a corporate renegade, Rework is your electrifying companion in a journey that defies the ordinary. Are you ready to rewrite the rules, rethink success, and revolutionize the way you work? If you're nodding in fervent agreement, then strap in for a game-changing experience that will leave you inspired, empowered, and armed with the tools to reshape your world. Rework isn't just a book. It's a call to action for those who dare to reimagine what's possible. The authors argue that simplicity should be a guiding principle in business. They suggest that elaborate business plans and complex strategies can often lead to confusion and waste. Instead, they advocate for a less is more approach, where businesses focus on their core offerings and eliminate unnecessary features, processes, and steps. The book challenges the notion that working longer hours equates to higher productivity. The authors advocate for working smarter rather than harder. This involves identifying high-impact tasks and focusing on them, while avoiding distractions and low-value activities. Constraints are seen as opportunities rather than limitations. The authors believe that having limited resources forces creativity and innovation. When resources are scarce, it encourages thinking outside the box to come up with solutions that might not have been considered otherwise. Building the right team is crucial. The book emphasizes hiring individuals who align with the company's values and culture. Skills can be taught, but cultural fit is essential for a cohesive and effective team. Creating a positive and supportive work environment also contributes to better performance. The book challenges the traditional approach to meetings. It suggests that most meetings are unproductive and that they should be kept short, focused, and limited in number. Interruptions, such as constant email checking, can significantly hamper productivity, and the authors recommend setting aside uninterrupted blocks of time to work. Instead of striving for perfection from the start, the authors advocate for the concept of a minimum viable product, MVP. This means creating a basic version of a product or service, releasing it to customers, and then iterating based on their feedback. This approach allows for faster development and quicker response to customer needs. The authors stress the importance of finding a unique selling proposition, USP, and targeting a specific niche. They believe that trying to appeal to everyone can dilute a business's impact. Instead of obsessively studying competitors, they recommend focusing on what makes the business stand out. The book encourages calculated risk-taking and views failure as a valuable learning experience. It suggests that playing it safe all the time can lead to missed opportunities for growth and innovation. Embracing failure as a stepping stone to success can lead to more confident decision-making. The authors promote a culture of ownership, where every team member takes responsibility for their work and decisions. This empowers individuals and reduces the need for complex decision-making processes. It also fosters a sense of accountability and pride in the work being done. Rework challenges the prevailing idea that success requires sacrificing personal life for work. The book argues that working excessive hours can lead to burnout and diminished productivity. It suggests that a balanced approach, where work and personal life complement each other, is more sustainable and beneficial in the long run. Overall, Rework encourages a shift away from traditional business practices and embraces a more pragmatic, flexible, and mindful approach to work, productivity, and entrepreneurship. It challenges readers to question the status quo and consider alternative methods that can lead to more efficient and fulfilling outcomes. As we bid farewell to the electrifying journey through Rework, it's time to distill the essence of this transformative experience. This isn't just a book. It's a guide that empowers you to rewrite the rules, rethink your strategies, and revolutionize your approach to work, productivity, and entrepreneurship. Rework unshackles you from the chains of complexity and sets you on a course towards simplicity. You've learned that greatness isn't found in the labyrinth of intricacy. It emerges from a focused, streamlined approach. The power of simplicity isn't just about trimming excess. It's about honing in on what truly matters and delivering it with precision. High voltage embracing constraints isn't a limitation. It's a gateway to unbridled creativity. You've grasped that limitations fuel innovation and that scarcity breeds resourcefulness. Through Rework, you've discovered how to harness the energy of limitations, turning them into stepping stones towards ingenious solutions that defy expectations. You've learned that assembling a team of great writers, individuals who communicate clearly and share your values, is the cornerstone of a successful venture. The book's wisdom has guided you towards a culture where managers of one flourish, where workaholics find their balance, and where every team member embraces ownership and accountability. Rework has ingrained in you the power of iteration. You now understand that perfection is an illusion, and the path to success is paved with swift adaptations and fearless experimentation. By launching your ideas into the world and adapting based on real-world feedback, you're positioned to thrive amidst change. You've internalized the creed of calculated risk-taking, where failure isn't an end but a stepping stone to growth. Armed with the Rework mindset, you've honed your decision-making acumen, learning to say no by default, and focusing on what truly aligns with your vision. Leadership, as you've discovered, isn't about authority. It's about setting an example and fostering a culture of ownership. Balancing work and life isn't a mere aspiration. It's a vital element of your success story. Through Rework, you've dismantled the notion that sacrifice is the only road to triumph. You've redefined success on your own terms, recognizing that a harmonious work-life symphony fuels sustainable, long-term achievement. As you step away from these pages, you carry the torch of the Rework philosophy, the manifesto for daring entrepreneurs, audacious thinkers, and relentless innovators. Armed with newfound insights and a fresh perspective, you're poised to chart a course that defies convention, embraces challenges, and forges an indomitable path toward your unique vision of success. Remember, Rework isn't just a book. It's a revolution, a blueprint for those who dare to question, disrupt, and rewrite their destiny. Now, go forth and let the spirit of Rework propel you to heights previously unimagined. Your journey has just begun, and with the Rework mindset as your compass, the possibilities are boundless.